Olivia, let him do it.
Can I help? No.
No. Xbox 360 Connect, Sean. Let me see your face, Sean. Do you like it?
That's video game. Mom.
Are you happy?
Mom, that is Avery's video game.
Neat. You know.
This is Avery's video game, Mom. It's too dangerous for me.
No, turn it around. You got the video game on the other side.
Can we do one more?
No.
Wait, there's more in there?
Yeah.
What
See,
the crap? Can we open the box?
no, we have to go to school. He can open more on his birthday party. What do you say, Sean? Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Mom,
Yeah. Oh, you're welcome.
Jennifer.